The Land Bank says it plans to speed up transformation in the agricultural sector by advancing loans to more black people. It says it's dissatisfied with its own pace of extending financing to the previously disadvantaged. This plan resonated with the government's plan to speed up radical economic transformation. Yesterday, Deputy President Cyril Ramaphosa said transformation must happen with urgency.
The National Development Plan has identified the agriculture sector as crucial in achieving government socio-economic and inclusiveness goals. It says this sector has the potential to create close to 1 million jobs by 2030. But, like in other sectors of the economy, the inclusion of black people has been slow. Bank CEO TP Nchocho says of its over 40 billion rand loan book, less than 5% of that has been extended to black people.
It is nearly not enough. And it is for this reason today that I was outlining a set of strategic initiatives that we are taking in order to increase the pace, the quantum, the substance of financing transformation and greater inclusivity in the sector. So, no, the level of transformation in the sector, in the agricultural sector, is far, far from being satisfactory.
Nchocho says the Land Bank has not escaped the effects of the 2 credit downgrades to sub-investment grade by Standard & Poor's and Fitch. He says the bank is left with little choice but to pass on the elevated cost of borrowing to loan seekers.
Unfortunately, that is the reality of finance and economics, and that is that when such costs come through, they have to be carried through into the entire financial system. And so those of us who are borrowers, and yes, indeed the farmers who are borrowers, are unavoidably going to see upward adjustments to their loan costs, just as the cost of funding also increase on our side. And yes, that has and could have a prohibitive effect on the availability of capital because it's a demand-supply equation. So some people might opt rather not to expand their businesses because it's too expensive and so on. So yes, it has potential to pull back investment spending in the sector.
The Land Bank plans to allocate 3 billion rands in total disbursements to the agricultural sector. Of this, around 1 billion rands will be allocated towards development transactions in order to transform the sector during the 2018 financial year. Seto, SABC News, Johannesburg.